This video shares concepts for troubleshooting speech recognition problems with Ivanti Velocity and Ivanti Speakeasy. I'm assuming you've already got Speakeasy installed and your Velocity project is configured for Speakeasy, but if you're not there yet, see the links in the description for help. The first thing you should always check is that the microphone is connected and working properly. When you're sure the mic is good, try out the quick calibration feature. This uses current speech samples to calibrate the Speakeasy engine. Open the client, connect to a host, and then tap Menu, Quick Calibration. Follow the instructions to speak into the microphone. Speakeasy will determine how much background noise there is and how loud you're speaking, and change settings to provide the best results. If you've tried quick calibration and you're still seeing poor results, open the Speech Diagnostics to get more insight into what might be going wrong. Make sure you're connected to a session and tap Menu, Speech Diagnostics. The data that we see on the Speech Diagnostics page is real-time data, so as I speak, it shows me what terms the engine recognizes and what it thinks I said. The Speakeasy engine is always trying to match the speech to the terms in the grammar files, so if you're testing against a specific grammar file, select it from the drop-down list. Let's listen to a recording and see the diagnostics in action.
Item lookup. Item lookup.
I'm going to pause it here for just a moment because we're seeing our first problem. These green bars across the top are the energy levels. The bottom line is the current level, and the top line is the average over the last 5 seconds. This white vertical line is the absolute threshold, and the energy needs to cross this threshold in order for the engine to detect it as speech. If speech is too quiet to be detected, like we see with this sample, set the absolute threshold lower to detect more speech. If you're getting too much background noise detected as speech, set the absolute threshold higher to ignore the background sounds. Let's play the recording again.
Item lookup. Item lookup. Item lookup.
And you can see that with the absolute threshold set lower, it's starting to show terms down below.
Item lookup. Item lookup. Item lookup. Item lookup. Item lookup.
The confidence level we see here at the right is how sure the engine is that what was said matched what was in the grammar file. If the confidence is high, it's a better match. Low confidence means the engine is having a hard time recognizing what is being said. When the confidence gets too low, Speakeasy won't even return a value because it's not sure it recognized a term. These values in red mean the engine didn't return a value because confidence was too low. If the terms are correct but have a low confidence value, you can adjust the confidence threshold so the engine will return those terms. Lowering the threshold means that Speakeasy will return more results, but you may also end up with more false positives, so you don't want to set the confidence level too low. You can tap on a term to see what other terms the speech might have matched, and the confidence values associated with them. If several terms come back with similar confidence levels, it's probably best to adjust the grammar file to make terms more distinct. To make terms more distinct, you can use a different phrase. For example, instead of fast and faster, use fast and warp speed. Add another word to the term. For example, instead of faster, use speak faster. You can also spell the word more phonetically in the grammar file. For example, instead of picking, use peeking. These tips should make it a bit easier to identify and reduce speech recognition problems. For more information, use the links in the video description.